Akashi,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm absolutely fine.
Great, sir.
Right now, I have brought you here. I have called you here to have the communication in front of varieties of a student. They want a general conversation with you, and
Okay.
they will arise a question in front of you on the topic of education.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to reply them in their desired way, right? So
Yes, sir.
first, guys, I would like to take your name, Mr. Samir G.
Yes, sir.
You are going to ask a question to him.
Hello, Akashi.
Hello.
Actually, I just want to know from you, do you learning new thing and enjoying from our education system? If you give an example, if you
Yeah,
can.
sure. I
Did you
can.
understand
Yes, I
about
understood
his
your
question?
point.
He is asking to you
Yes, sir.
that do you really enjoy learning new things? If you can, so give an example in front of
Sure, sir.
everybody.
I will. So, I think education system is much important for every country, for everyone. If talking about me, what I learned from education, so I think every day I learn lots of things because every day is not same day. If we talk about any field, so we can say if we go any field, so that time we learn lots of things from that place. Because of we learn lots of things by books, by someone, by some place. So I think it is a good thing for us. If talking about myself, yes, I learned lots of things when I came in this institute. So that time I didn't know very well English. But when I came here regularly, so after that I learned lots of things. I learned that how to communicate with the people, how to talk with the people, and how to build a confidence, and how to I believe myself. So I think I learned this kind of thing.
Fantastic. Hinu Sheikh, your name, right?
I'm only human.
Hinu, you are going to ask a question to him, right?
Okay, hello, Kash.
Hello.
I'm going to ask a question. Sorry for that. I would
Yeah,
like
sure.
to ask a question. My question is that is education for young, for only young, and what do people learn, and
When they are
when they are older? Could you elaborate? And I'm looking
Yeah.
forward to
fantastic.
Sure, I can. Okay, so I think education system is not only for younger, it's also for olders. People think that when they will older, after that they don't have anything to do something. But I think it is a wrong. Why? Because if we compare younger to older, so older have a lots of capacity to learn lots of things. If we talk about this time, we learn lots of things, but if we talk about older, so they don't have anything to do something in their life. But if they want to learn something, so they can read lots of books, they can improve their communication skill, they improve their knowledge by books, by someone, because of they have a lots of time. So we can say they have a also right to learn lots of things.
Mr. Jasim Ahmad, you are going to ask a question to him.
Hello, Akashi.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I am fine, and you?
And I'm also fantastic. And first, I would like to say that I would like to tell about myself. The person who is sitting in front of you, this is a Jasim Ansari.
Okay.
And I would like to ask one question. And who has taught you a lot in your life?
Okay. So on your question, I would like to say a few words. I learned lots of things in my life by my experience, by people's, because of we learned lots of things. People said that we learned lots of things by books, but I think it is a wrong. Why? Because we learned lots of things by people's, by our environment, by our society. So I think I learned lots of things by my experience, by someone give me a good responsibility, by someone cheat me, by someone say that you didn't do anything, but that time I realized that I can do. So I think there is one person who can give you this kind of opportunity to introduce yourself and who you are. Those person are society who give you this kind of opportunity to introduce yourself.
Thank you so
Priyanshu,
much, sir, for this.
that's great. Fantastic question, Jasim. You asked to him. Priyanshu, I'd like to give this opportunity to you to arise a question. What you want to ask, you can right now.
Hello, Baji.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fabulous, and I would like to ask a to you question. And my question is that does your country have a good education system? What are its strength and weakness?
Fantastic question.
Okay, so I will say few words on this point. Our country education system is great. If we go ancient time, so that time there were no school. Okay, but that time there was one thing. It's called a gurukul. If someone wanted to learn something, so that time they went to gurukul. After that they taken lots of knowledge by gurukul. So I think ancient time is this kind of thing. If we compare in a present time, so in a present time there are lots of type of education system in India, private sector and government sector. Our education system is a good, but there is one weakness. Our education system never thinking new things, which is most important for the youngers. If we compare to 10 year before, so 10 year before also same syllabus going on, still same syllabus going on. Our government, we can say education minister never thinking about student skills and their talent. If they work on that, after that we can say we learn lots of new things, so it is good for our nation.
Sarfaraz ji, you are going to ask a question.
How are you? How are you, Akash ji?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Thank you. I would like one question.
Yes.
How important is education in your life?
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, I understood your point.
Right? He is asking
Yes,
that how important education is in our life.
Okay.
Importance of education you are going to speak about that in our life,
Yes, sir.
in everyone's life.
Okay. So education, how much important for us? I think it must important for everyone, because without education we are nothing. We can say we are just like an animal. Why? We have a same ability to like an animal, eating, sleeping and going somewhere, but education is that thing which is which is different from, we can say, animal. Education is like that thing which we call say weapon. If you want to fight someone, if you talk with someone, if you want to deliver your thought with someone, so that time your education is best role playing there. So I think education is most important. If you go somewhere, so that time people understood your words, your thoughts by your communication skill, so that time people understand you have a great education. That's it.
Prakash, you are going to ask.
May I ask one question?
Yes, sir.
My name is Satyaprakash. I'm
Yes.
working in BPO
Okay.
last 10 years.
Okay.
And my question is what is the different education in rural area and urban area in our country?
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
According to your question, rural area and urban area education system in our country, I think there is lots of different. If we compare, if we talk about rural area, there is no facility very well in our country. That's why people came from village to cities, because there are lots of facility. If we talk about in a village, so there is no good facility for education system. If we talk about there are not good teachers also. Government never focus on village education, but they always focus to we can say uh, cities education. Why? Because it's a developing area. That's why both are very difficult. If government thinking that, they should develop state as well village together, so I think that time both education system is a good. But if this kind of thinking going on, so I think it is a bad thing for our nation.
Who is the next one? Just who want to arise your question. What's your name, beta? Bobby Chauhan. You are going to arise a question. What do you have to ask?
Hello, Akashi.
Hello.
I have a question for you. Is there need to renovate Indian education system?
Yes,
A very
it's
excellent
a,
question.
it's a very great question. I think there is a most important to change our education system. Why I told you that? Because of we know there are lots of students who had done their graduation, post graduation, and lots of things, but still they are unemployed. Why? Because of our education system. Our government never focus on student skills. They never thinking that thing कि how to they develop their skills. If we compare to other country government always always thinking that they want to develop their country's student skills. That's why they are ahead and we are back. It's a very big difference. If we talk about Indian system education, so here we see there are lots of people who done their education, post graduation, even PhD also. It's a high education in India. Student invest lots of time in that education, but after that what happened? They are still uneducated. Even if they grab any post, after that what they earn, they only earn 30 to 35 minimum. I think it is a bad thing. Why? Because government never focus student strength. They never thinking about where student is a good. If we talk about ancient time when Dronachar running a Gurukul, so that time he provide every student something by their ability. If we talk about Arjun has a great ability in archery, and if we talk about Duryodhan, he has a great ability in a gada. So according to that, Dronachar deliver education them by their ability. So I think it is a good thing for everyone. If this kind of thinking present government think, so after that our education system good, also our country also develop.
Fantastic, very beautifully. He has explained your all questions.
Because
Clapping for him.